Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel bread pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 cups of stale bread, cubed, which is perfect for soaking up flavor. We'll also prepare a rich custard base with 4 large eggs, milk, and sugar. Don't forget your caramel sauce components, especially 1 cup of granulated sugar, ready for melting. Now, let's create that luscious caramel sauce. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Watch it carefully as it transforms, cooking until it achieves a beautiful deep amber color, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Once it's ready, carefully pour the hot caramel directly into your 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ensuring an even layer. With our caramel set, it's time to assemble the pudding. In a large bowl, whisk together your custard ingredients, eggs, milk, and sugar until they are thoroughly combined and smooth. Add your cubed stale bread to this mixture, ensuring every piece is well coated. Let the bread soak in the custard for about 20 minutes, allowing it to absorb all that delicious liquid before pouring it over the caramel in your baking dish. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place your baking dish into a larger pan filled with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool for about 15 minutes, then carefully invert it onto a serving plate to reveal that beautiful caramel topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.